mali. Oh! Di oh. Be, cute. Oh. Go.
Cute ito.
Yeah,
Pangatlo.
tas ito ang cute din. Ano ba?
Hanap ako ng maganda. Sorry.
Ano na lang, Zoe. Sulan? Sula na lang, Sula.
Hindi mo ako sulit.
Ano, Zoe na lang. Rumi?
Langkit lang kayo.
Ano, ito. Ito, dalawa.
Bagay.
Ano talaga, Zoe na lang. Yung cute, ng sombrero.
Parang suot ni Zoe.
Yan. Ano yan? Inom mo din. Pangalan mo kasi. Kung nga pangalan ko eh. Tanga siya guys. Balugtong kaibigan ko guys. Ulitin na rin na. Yung pangalan niya, Ebriel.
Ba't dito pinalagay ba? Kasi may aquarium.
Well, this lady prepared to float her religious offering. She noticed the girl who seemed a little too interested in the money inside the basket. So in protest, the lady immediately took the money away. At first, the girl looked
Yan,
like she felt really
besties.
bad because of this.
Besties.
But the truth is, the woman was
Yeah.
actually protecting the money from a man who was about to steal it. Well, this lady prepared to float her religious offering. She noticed the girl who
That's you eh?
interested in the money inside the basket. So in protest, the lady
Yeah,
immediately
that
took the money
you?
away. At first, the girl
Go.
looked like she
Ano ba
felt
kasing
really bad
pangalan mo?
because of this.
Babysit
But the
ka.
truth is, the
Spell.
woman was actually protecting the money from a man who was about to steal it. Well, this lady, this guy is one of the hardest jobs in the world, making sure everyone gets to their right places every single day. But there's only one problem that he faces every time he's done working, and that is he has to get home without letting his shadow touch him. Now watch how he skillfully maneuvers through the crowd and makes it to the other side.
Ano pa?
Ang ganda ng pants.
Amazing.
That's okay. Ano kayo makukuha? Wow! Milk din nakuha mo, babe. Yun lang.